Welcome to my kitchen with an accent. Today we're gonna make a really simple and light vegetable lasagna. Although there's no meat, this lasagna is nutritious enough, so it's really nice for both lunch and dinner, whatever you want. So let's get started. Ingredients for our lasagna are really simple: zucchini, carrot, sweet pepper, garlic, tomato, canned beans, tomato paste, butter, oil, cheese, lasagna sheets, and bechamel. First of all, prepare all vegetables. Wash them, peel if it's necessary, and chop into cubes. Once you've done it, take a large pan, add in 30 grams of unsalted butter and 15 grams of oil, and heat it over medium-high heat. Place chopped carrot and garlic into the pan and sauté them for several minutes. Then add chopped sweet pepper and continue cooking for several more minutes. After that, add chopped zucchini and sauté veggies for about 10 minutes, stirring them occasionally. Last but not least, I'm gonna add chopped tomatoes, canned beans, and tomato paste. Don't forget to season your ragu with any spices you love. I'm adding 1½ teaspoons of salt, pinch of chili pepper, cardamom, and mixing that all together. And also I'm gonna add paprika and dry dill. I'm stirring the mixture the last time and leaving it to cook for another 2 or 3 minutes. The next step is bechamel. The detailed recipe of this popular and really delicious sauce is already on my channel, so just follow the link in the description box and cook one portion of this gorgeous French sauce. Alright, I'm ready to assemble my lasagna. Firstly, I'm arranging lasagna sheets in the bottom of a baking dish and covering them with bechamel. Then the layer of veggies. Now I'm gonna repeat all the layers: lasagna sheets, bechamel, veggies. Finally, I'm spreading evenly the rest of bechamel over the top. Okay, my oven is already preheated to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna bake my lasagna for about 35 minutes. While it's baking, I'm grating 200 grams of cheese. Use any cheese you like. In about 35 minutes, get the baking pan from the oven, sprinkle with grated cheese and bake for another 5 or 10 minutes. Look, lasagna is absolutely ready. Let it cool down a little and enjoy. Watch my other videos, make your comments and subscribe to my channel. Приятного аппетита!